Good morning to you all. We are out and about, camera comparison, GoPro Hero 10 versus GoPro Hero 7. I haven't done a camera comparison in a while now, so I don't know, I just feel a bit of excitement here. So GoPro Hero 7 I've been using for a long time now. I haven't upgraded because I haven't felt the need to. So finally get a chance to get out of the office. It's been a hectic month, so many smartphone launches, but finally I'm able to do something I enjoy doing, camera comparison. So GoPro Hero 10 versus GoPro Hero 7. We are shooting 4K 60 on both cameras, so that is the maximum resolution supported on the GoPro Hero 7. So to match that resolution, we are shooting 4K 60 on the GoPro Hero 10. I've been wanting to upgrade my GoPro for a long time now. Let's get a selfie with the elephant. Nice. So I've been wanting to upgrade my GoPro for some time now, but I've avoided it because there hasn't been anything different till now. So GoPro Hero 10 has the new GP2 processor. Supports a much higher resolution, so I'm excited to see how better this camera is than the GoPro Hero 7. So 4K 60 on both cameras. The GoPro Hero 10 can actually support 5.7K, and we are going to be testing that out as well. Absolutely loving the front screen of the GoPro. So convenient to frame my shot, talk into it, vlog. I'm hoping the microphone sounds better than the GoPro Hero 7. All right, so let's flip it around, shall we? So 4K at 60 frames per second on both cameras again. And as usual, what you would expect from a GoPro, the video quality looks amazing on the viewfinder. It looks super smooth, super stable. Very reliable stabilization in GoPros. I can't wait to see what 5.3K looks like, and we're gonna have to test that in a bit. Let's do a quick jogging test. All right, I'm doing a quick jogging test to see what the stabilization is like. So we are jogging right now, light jog, with two cameras in hand. Yeah, so 4K 60 on both cameras, and you know what the quality is going to be like on the GoPros. You look at the viewfinder, super smooth quality video, and stabilization is also equally good, so you can't really fault a GoPro. Some of the best stabilization you can get on an action camera. Alright, so we're going to do a quick running test to check the stabilization. We're doing 4K 60 on both, and I'm holding them free-handed, so no tripod, no gimbal or anything like that. And this is what you can expect from the stabilization. Now, action cameras are not generally known for their low light performance, and the next two photos have been taken in a near dark room with all studio lights off. Both occasions the GoPro 10 seems to produce better results, but the image is still out of focus and not very attractive. Also, here is some low light 4K video at 60 FPS, so just natural light, no studio lights at all, and you can clearly see the Hero 10 video looks much better, whereas the Hero 7 you can see plenty of noise and even the colors are out. So a slight improvement in low light performance over the 7, but not as good as what our smartphones can do, so GoPro Hero still need to work on their low light. So here's a quick side by side, GoPro Hero 10 on the left and the Hero 7 on the right. The Hero 10 has a 1.4 inch color LCD live preview screen, great for vlogging. It gives you your battery and storage information, etc. The GoPro Hero 7 has a much smaller black and white LCD, which gives you basic information on your battery and storage. On the side of the Hero Black, we've got a power and mode button, and the Hero 7 has a latch which you can open, and inside you will find your USB-C and mini HDMI port. And on the back we have our LCD displays. They are both 2-inch IPS touchscreens and support touch zoom. And on this side there is a latch for the Hero 10. If we open it, so you just pull it down and that opens up the large door, and you've got your USB-C, MicroSD card slot, and the actual battery compartment. And the GoPro Hero 7 on this side has a power and mode button. So I will remove the battery because that is something we are going to compare next. Underneath you have this fold out adapter, so you can attach more accessories to the actual GoPro. I think it's very convenient to have this in place. It means a few things less to carry around. The GoPro Hero 7 has a latch door. So we open the latch door and you've got your battery compartment with your micro SD card slot. And on the top of both cameras you will find your shutter button. So the new GoPro Hero 10 is slightly taller, and if we just put them back to back, you can see it's also slightly bigger in width. Alright, just comparing the GoPro batteries. So the Hero 10 comes with a 1720 mAh battery, and the Hero 7 comes with a 1220 mAh battery. So much bigger battery in the Hero 10. So it does seem like everything has been upgraded. Both cameras have a rugged design and they are both waterproof. The GoPro Hero 7 has mini HDMI, so everything else has been considerably upgraded. So maximum video resolution 5.3K at 60 FPS versus 4K at 60 FPS, 23 megapixel Super Photo with HDR, and this one does 12 megapixel Super Photos. Both feature HyperSmooth video stabilization. Both feature voice control. You've got built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. And all the other features are still there in the GoPro Hero 10. We're talking about the live streaming, the time warp, time lapse, so on and so forth. So if you've been using the GoPro Hero 7 for a long time, like myself, and you were thinking of upgrading and wanted to know if there is a significant difference between them, then this video should have already answered your question. The GoPro Hero 10 is a significant upgrade. The standard photos and video quality at 4K 60 surpasses the quality of the GoPro Hero 7 quite easily, and that's before even testing the 5.3K. So if you switch to 5.3K, then it takes that resolution to another level. Yes, so it is slightly bigger, but the weight feels more or less the same. So that pretty much sums it up. A significant difference between the Hero 7 and the Hero 10. So you do have a great excuse to upgrade if that's what's on your mind. I'm glad I upgraded, even though my Hero 7 is still working as good as day one. And that has been my experience thus far with GoPro. They last long, they are durable, and you don't need to upgrade every year. So the new chipset, the higher resolution sensors, the great new design is certainly going to be a rewarding experience. Every feature is better. So better photos, better videos, better audio, better slow-mo, time-lapse, time warp, stabilization, the actual screens, battery life. This is a complete noticeable upgrade. I'm glad I actually waited a few years before upgrading, so it feels like a major upgrade from the 7. If you already have the GoPro Hero 9, then I don't think this is going to be a significant upgrade for you. Anything under Hero 7, I would definitely look into upgrading to the new Hero 10. Now, if you're wondering what the 5.3K resolution is like, I will leave some real footage in the description for you guys, so you can check out for yourselves what the full resolution video looks like on the GoPro Hero 10. So as usual, anything new to share, I will let you guys know in the comments, but also on social media. So make sure you are following Chicks Tech Reviews on both Twitter and Instagram for exclusive updates and photos letting you know what's going on behind the scenes, along with regular updates. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.